Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you this embroidery machine and how easy it is to use it. Like, if I would have knew this sooner when I was starting out my brand, I probably would have made way more money. This machine cost me, I think, around $800 to $900, and then I also got all these threads on Amazon. The stand is from Joann's Fabrics, and then I just drilled holes in it to put it into the wall instead of standing it up somewhere. But yeah, the machine is called PE800. There's so many videos on YouTube on how to use this machine, but basically all you do is put your files onto this USB here, and then you have all the files that you made onto the USB, and I'll show you how these files are made. Like, I made all these silly designs just for fun, but yeah, let me show you how I did that. Sorry for the mess, but yeah, literally all you have to do is go on Fiverr, look up PES digitizing. I went through this guy. This guy's awesome. It literally only costs $5, and you could get any design made, and he'll show you like a preview. Like, this is the design. There's a ton of different people that do this. I saw on Etsy some people are even doing it for $2. I haven't tried that, but I did do mine through Fiverr multiple times, and I like this guy. He gives me a bunch of different files. This one too, I drew it on my iPad, but yeah, you can kind of see how it's gonna come out like, and it literally comes out almost exactly the same. Like, this is the one. This is my favorite one. The other thing is, the reason why I'm making this video is because I've seen so many people show this machine, but they don't show you that you don't have to learn how to digitize. Like, I really don't want to waste my time and possibly months learning how to digitize when I could just pay someone $2 to $5 to do it themselves. Plus, the digitizing program cost about, I think it's like $300 to like $250 to buy it, and I just don't have time to learn it. So paying somebody to do it, you're gonna make profit probably if you have a cool design. I don't know, but yeah, I'll link everything that I got. This little guy comes in handy because it makes the yarn, or not the yarn, it makes the thread flow in a very easy way. Then I also will link all these that I got. I got these in a bundle, like all these rainbow colors. I think it was like 20 bucks on Amazon. All these other ones, like the random ones like these, are from a yard sale. But yeah, all these, such a great deal. You can make so many designs with it. Like, I've made probably over 10 or 15 designs with just this black one, and I still have some left over. Oh yeah, and a couple last things. Also on the screen, it'll tell you the amount of time needed per thread. So you just put the thread in here, and then it starts embroidering. And then, yeah, it'll tell you the exact time. Then you just switch the thread, and it goes to the next color. And I also embroidered on a hat. Like, I had this design made, and basically all I did was I got some stabilizer, but I got the sticky stabilizer, and I stuck it onto it like that, and it just stuck on just like that, and it stayed flat on it. I didn't have to put it through the loop, but I just had it like that, and it actually embroidered on a hat. So yeah, you could even embroider onto hats. Look how cool that is. Another thing you could do, which is basically passive income, is if you have designs that you're willing to share with others. I've made money off of these designs that I've had, and I made just for fun. So I put these on my Etsy, and people will buy like these digital designs. I'm pretty sure someone bought this one. I think this one as well. I can't remember. Oh yeah, they bought this one. I didn't cut the thread on this one, but yeah, it's still a cool design. But yeah, you can put these on Etsy and sell them as digital files, and people will buy them. So like, if you want to buy these designs, I have them linked down below on my Etsy as well. But yeah, that's another way you can make money off of doing this. But yeah, I just wanted to share this machine with you guys and provide some value, because if I would have known this sooner, I probably would have made so many cool things and made a good amount of money off of this machine when I started out. So yeah, if you want to get into it, I'll have everything linked down below. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.